This is a very big moment for India, where Zoller, a multinational who are very popular in tool management solutions, decided to unveil their 80th year logo in India at Imtex. A big applause. We are in a very new location today. Actually, I must say this Imtex, this is one of the best thing happened, that is the Bangalore metro coming to Madhavara, very next to BAEC, where Imtex is getting done. And we are in front of this hall 7, where people were skeptical about, how this stall will be. And now this is the place where people are so happy, they are, from morning to evening, they are getting a lot of people. All the people who comes from metro, they directly goes to this stall.
Yes.
We were lucky to get Tia, Yashas and Nikhil, because Nikhil contacted me a couple of days before in LinkedIn. LinkedIn is so powerful. If we can intern. So I told, okay, so if we are getting resources, we already had around 18 people. So these 3 people also came. So we thought it will be some operations, it will be helpful. And I am telling you, you were so amazing. You 3 are multi-talented and adding so much of, it takes time for people to come and talk in front of camera. I never expected Yashas can talk. And yesterday he did one interaction and it was amazing.
Yes.
So how is your experience? Are you enjoying it?
I am definitely enjoying. I get to learn so many new things here, and this place is actually incredible because the amount of people I have met, the amount of people I've interacted with, never expected that I'll be able to interact and get such kind of opportunity. So I am personally very thankful to you as well, sir, that you gave us opportunity to come here and help you out like this.
See, I always believe we are just part of the karma. There is a word I'm not able to get. If not me, someone else. We always hear that today the youngsters, whatever we are having, they are not industry ready. Okay, they are not passionate about business. They are not passionate about their work. They are like Insta. They like Instagram. They like Insta food. But I see you all very different.
Sir, everybody is different. I mean, if you have something set in your head that yes, I want to do this, you should have a goal and aim in your life. So if people do have that, then I'm pretty sure you'll find people like us only. But even if people who don't have such aim, I'm pretty sure they'll also find some aim in life.
Once you finish your studies, I expect if you people can join with Machine Maker, I will be always very happy.
Sir.
Why? Because my mission with Machine Maker is that we should empower Indian manufacturing.
Right.
I want more and more people come with Machine Maker or any other media. You should talk about Indian manufacturing. You should talk about those people who are working hard to build our country, to build our manufacturing.
Correct.
So thanks once again to you
Thank
and
you
to all your people.
so much, sir. That you have visited Imtex. So how was your experience here?
The overall experience is good. This is one of the biggest exhibition for the manufacturing industry, mainly for these tools. So overall, very good experience. Good to see the one platform to visit lots of machine makers. It's nice to see here.
Right. And was there any machine that fascinated you guys the most, or something that was different, or something like that?
Mainly UT crane. So we are related to UT crane, so that has fascinated us most of the time, and it is very good to collaborate with our existing customer and new prospects. So.
First, I would like to know, where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Oh, Germany. And you, sir?
I'm based in Bangalore.
Are you here as visitors or exhibitors?
I'm here as a visitor. For me, it's the first time being at the Imtex. It's quite impressive how many people are here, and actually also how many of our partners are having a booth here and showing themselves and showing also our technology, which is embedded into their technology. And it's, I think how people like to say it's incredible India, incredible to see all this going on here.
Exhibiting here?
Here we are exhibiting. We are LP's IT solutions. We are into industrial automation, digitalization, IoT, cloud management.
अच्छा, आपने इनका ले लिया क्या photo? Can you get up?
Thank you.
What's your good name?
I'm Sudhakar Chakravarti. I'm from LP's IT Solutions. Company started in 2012, and we are in this business for last 12 years. And we are in the industry automation and industry 4.0 solutions.
Okay, you are Andhra Pradesh Chakravarti or you
Yes,
are West
Andhra
Bengal
Pradesh.
Chakravarti?
Andhra Pradesh Chakravarti.
That is something which
not
we
a
should.
Chakraborty. Not a, it's a Varti. So
Okay, what is the difference between Bharti and Varti?
it's a letter wise, it's a B and V.
All seven.
All seven, yes.
So before the exhibition started, many people were very skeptical because we are not getting in the the main halls, and you are put up in this place temporary.
Okay.
Now I think people want next year also
Actually,
here.
We picked it after seeing this location. So we registered after seeing the location 7 hall, and in the map we saw this. This is close to the entrance, and there is a registration center also here. So for people it's easy access.
But you are very smart. You are in digital manufacturing. You told you are in industry 4.0. IMTMA people will give you here only.
Yeah, this is good enough for me.
Yeah. So actually we tell that Urvashi Shabam Ubagaram.
Yes.
So how was your experience?
It was good. A lot of tractions was there, and it's now up to our conversions. So, but footfall was good.
So it's the end of day 5th. So how was the day for you?
It really is superb. I really enjoyed, moreover, this and part of a technical field. Since I did my diploma in mechanical engineering, I'm part of Hindustan Machine Tools. And from there, I moved back to a place at Middle East. I was working for Saudi Aramco. That is basically, it was in Saudi Arab, and a place in Jubail and Riyadh, Jeddah, all these places. Since the day one, I've been landed here, and it's my pleasure talking to all. And I'm really amazed the latest technology of the machinery, which I come across like kind of CNC machines and aerospace technologies, parts they are preparing like an impeller, and so many stuff for availability is there. It's come out with the latest technology. And the company where I got selected long back for the Machino Asia, and that company has come out with all latest to latest technology. Even that machinery was useful for now, the present world. And it's I'm really very happy today. It's my pleasure talking to you all.
2 days crowd is very high, so we have not expected this much crowd, and it was very nice show.
Yeah, day 5th was very good in fact, and today we could see that lot of customers coming in, and being a working day we haven't anticipated that so many footfall would happen, so that was great, and a lot of business opportunities we could see. It's an excellent show which is going on, and a lot of new technology has been added this time compared to the previous Imtex. And we see that the technology and the quality deliverables from even the Indian manufacturing fraternity is quite good, impressive.
How was your experience today?
Today's genuine customers visited at our stall, and so happy.
Okay.
So today is day 5. So how was your day today?
It's a good, nice day, and last 5 days also nice. Get to have a good response from our side. Yeah.
Today we have got some of the good decision makers are visited our stalls. The response is good. Overall response is good. We are expecting more response from tomorrow onwards.
That's really great, sir. That's really good to know. Thank you so much for your time, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. That was day 5.